Introducing W6 Plus Cordless Vacuum. Easy setup and you can use it straight away. Smoother movement to maximize the capabilities and 2 times more effective suction. Upgraded cleaner head, double pressure, double power suction. Vacuum everything, even the tiny hidden dust. 2-in-1 changeable tools attachment help you to change sets in no time. Additional dust mite brush terminate the bug that been living under your fabric. 4-stage filtration system that will block all those particles, and you can clean the filter with water just like that. Improved battery life with 40 minutes low speed setting. W6 Plus from Electrova.